Welcome back to another episode of Simple Vegan Recipes, and I'm gonna do a rose velvet smoothie. This recipe calls for 1 tablespoon of hibiscus water, 1 cup of plant-based milk. It can either be almond milk, it can be cashew, or it can be oat milk, whichever one you prefer. 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, 4 ounces of cooked beets, half a cup of water, and 2 tablespoons of cacao nips. So I'm going to put all those ingredients in the blender, and let's go ahead and let's do this rose velvet smoothie. Oh my goodness, we're all done. Look at the color. All those antioxidants. Oh my goodness. This for me is like a fall smoothie. I'm going to enjoy this. Like I always do, I encourage you guys to give those simple vegan recipes a try and subscribe to this channel for more simple vegan recipes. And I'll see you next time on Simple Vegan Recipes. Bye for now.